function field is read only here. Okay. So I will use my brain here. I'll make it true, guys. There is no other option. It is not allowing me to make it true. Okay. So this is actually JavaScript executor. So you can open it using Control Shift J. Okay, I am going to make the checkbox true using scripting. Okay, so when this checkbox is checked right, I have actually checked this checkbox using scripting. I did not get any option to check that from directly manually. So I did check this checkbox using scripting. Maybe if you find there is a way, you can let me know. Okay, so I'm going to create a new field called length, which is of type integer. I have actually checked this checkbox field type as true here, function field as true here. So when you select the function field as true here, you have to define function definition here. Okay, you have to define function definition here. Okay, so what this function definition, what exactly we have to define here? Suppose if you want to add, you have to keep add function. If you want to subtract, you have to use subtract function. If you want to multiply, you have to use multiply. Okay, so likewise you have function definitions available. Okay, see add function. So which are all the fields you want to add? Okay, so here what I will do is I'll actually take this line of script here. Okay, so I will go here to the length field. Where is this one? This one. So I am going to this length field. What are all the field values I want to count? I want to add. See here, glide function colon add. So which are all the fields? Which are all the fields you want to add? So first value, second value, u underscore, first underscore value, first value field. I think second value we have given, right? U underscore. So I am going to the demo incident form now. Okay, first value I am giving as 4 here. Second value I am giving as 5 here. 5 plus 4, how much? 9. So length field is not there here, right? Length field we have to add it on the form. So I am just saving this one. Just saving this one. So length field, let me just add it on the form. Configure, form layout. Length field somewhere here. Length is 9 or not. So based on other field values, if you want to calculate, if you want to subtract, or if you want to multiply, then you can use function field. See, I am going to change the value as 67 here. 67 plus 4, 71. It is calculating the count automatically, right? I want to subtract. So in place of this function, right, this particular add function, we just duplicate this one. So you guys are with me, right? You guys are following, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So here, right, I have used add function here. In place of add function, I can also use subtract. Subtract will actually minus. So 67 minus 4, 63. So first value is 4. 4 minus 67. 4 minus 67. Minus 63, right? Okay. So you can subtract. You can also multiply as well. So what you have to do, if you want to multiply, you can also use multiply function. If you want to divide it, you can divide it. Okay. If you want to check greater than greatest value. Okay. So here out of you have to pass the values greatest out of this 10, 100 and 1000. Which one is the greatest value? 1000. Least value 10. Okay. Concat means it will actually act as it will actually act as calculated value. So we have actually concatenated while we are discussing calculated value. If you remember, concatenated. We have combined the string. So it will, if you use concat, right, it will actually act as calculated value. So date difference. If you want to get the date difference, day of the week. So if you want to check these things by default, suppose guys, here short description length. I want to calculate the length of the short description field. So how many characters it has? I want to calculate. Then what I will do here, so I can use this length function and field name. Field name short description, right? So length of the short description field is actually 54. If you count this one, it will actually give you the 54 characters, including spaces. Okay. So likewise, we have different functions available. So that is why it is actually called as function field, function checkbox. Did you guys get the idea? Suppose your client asks you to calculate two fields, then we can go for this function field, right? Rather than going for writing scripting and all, we can go for this function field, right? Clear? Everyone? Guys?